File factory. File factory. There's my mind. Notice down here, File factory level 2. Trap loadout. Remove. Are you sure you want to remove this trap? Remove trap. Yes, it can be done. So, Ayla, or however you pronounce your words, eat them. Right now. Remove the trap. Because what I found out is, if you want to take that out of there, you click on the mine, this one, more, recall trap. Now, recall trap? That has nothing to do with the mine. Recall the trap? Trap charges remaining. 2. What does that mean? So, how do we change it? Loadout. If I click remove, do I want to remove the trap? No, I want to remove the damn mine. So what do we do? How do you get rid of the mine? Maybe I want to put 2 of these in there instead of that one. Click on this again. File factory loadout. Well, that don't help. Move. That doesn't help. More. Recall the trap. Recall where? But I think I've just proven to you that yes, you can click on loadout and remove the trap. Not the mine, the trap. Now, where's my 13 days of tokens?